Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I am so excited for today's episode because we have a true Chanel unboxing. Yes, that is right. We are going to unbox what's inside this very beautiful Chanel box. Yay! So this is going to be Chanel number 3 or my third Chanel bag. So if you want to find out what's inside this very beautiful Chanel box, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I could welcome you to the fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Yes guys, I'm super excited. This is another true unboxing. You know, I love sharing, my true emotions with this unboxing with you. So I purchased this via Carousel, but hold on, I'm sure you guys would be asking why am I purchasing again in Carousel wherein I was almost kept. Yes, you are correct. I'm sure you've seen the vlog and at the end of the video I provided 5 tips. And the reseller that I've worked here actually gave all the additional information like 2 valid IDs, a lot of photos with this one, and answered all my questions without any hesitation, which made the transaction a lot easier, which again, plus the reviews, she has like 60 plus reviews, which, made me feel secure in doing the transaction with her. So this is a true unboxing. I have not seen what's inside. I'm only seeing this via photos. I'm super excited and nervous at the same time. And honestly guys, because this is a vintage Chanel bag, just an FYI, in the condition, I'm feeling on photos I would rate it 6/10. So I'm hoping that when I unbox this, I'm hoping that the rating will still be around 6/10 or somewhere good condition. Alright, let's start unboxing. Alright, so let's start unboxing. 3, 2, 1. There. So here it is. So she actually placed it on a plastic bag. So let me just remove the box one moment. Alright, so now I've removed it out of the box. So I'm so happy that she actually packaged it well. So it's nice that she packaged it with plastic bag. So again guys, this is the first time that I'm holding it like this. So with the bubble wrap. So this one didn't came with the original box and the original dust bag, because as you can see, the dust bag is somewhat new. So oh my god. So okay, are you ready guys? I've been waiting for this for an entire week. 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait a minute. I want to close my eyes guys. Okay, so it comes with sorry guys, it comes with another packaging. All right, and MG. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, one moment guys. Okay, wow. Oh my god. Okay, all right, that's nice. So this is her. Okay, let me just look at it guys, one moment, because like what I mentioned, she is a vintage bag. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. One moment guys. Alright, so here she is. This is Chanel number 3. Apologies guys, I need to pause the video a little bit. So this one, so she is Chanel number 3. This didn't come with the authenticity card, and the hologram sticker is already unreadable, so I'm unable to verify the production date of this one. But as you can see here guys, so this is the front. And as you can see, let me focus the logo for you. So this is what actually sold me, of course. As you know me, I super love vintage bag. So it comes with a marking over here. So it means she is vintage and the hardware is dipped in 24 karat gold hardware. So it is over here. So they say that if it's somewhere over here, it's made in Paris. So I haven't inspected where this is made or made in France. So this one also says made in France. Okay, that's nice. So again, let us just check first. So again, the hardware is in gold. As you can you hear this? There, and then here is the side, the back. So with the back, guys, it comes with the full pocket here, so that is nice. I would be able to put my phone over there. The back part, and then when you open it, so it would be like this. So here it is. And then when you open, so it comes, I love that it comes with 2 compartments. So this compartment over here comes with the zippered compartment where it has the zipper and it would show the logo of Chanel. So let me just turn that over there. So you would see the Chanel trademark there. And then on this part, you are going to see, I'm not sure if it's showing, but there is the hologram sticker is a little bit faded and the number is already unreadable. So this is nice. And good thing about this, yes, this is a vintage bag, but I'm not smelling something really bad or something that aged over here. So the inside is better, to be honest. I would be honest. So like what I mentioned earlier, the rating of this one when I purchased, so I knew that it is not a 9/10 or definitely not a 10/10 condition. And I knew that it was a 6/10 condition, and I still purchased it because what I love about this bag, first and foremost, so number 1, so it's made with lambskin leather. Number 2, of course, this is vintage, the vintage hardware over here. So yes, it doesn't come with the long chain link strap, so it comes with this strap over here. So I am trying, so it could actually fit over here. So just like the cute 2000 bags, of course you could carry it. What I super love, I could carry definitely this one as a top handle, or you could carry it on the crook of your arm. So the condition of the bag, so of course I feel that she needs a little bit of love and care. So after this one, definitely I would be putting some leather conditioner on her because I could feel that the leather is a little bit dry. So here at the front, you are going to see that, you know, there are wear and tear. So you was going to see there are creases over here. At the back part, as you are going to notice, there are also creases there. And then the handle, yeah, same thing. So of course this is a vintage bag, and I know for a fact that I cannot expect that this would be perfect. So there are actually I would say, yeah, around 6/7/10, and definitely a good leather conditioner or a good trip to a Dr. Leather bag spa would definitely give this bag more life. But I super love the color, I super love the size. I think I still got a good deal of this Chanel vintage bag. What do you think, guys? Alright guys, so for just size comparison, I have here Chanel number 1. So she is my classic single flap bag. Size is jumbo, and this is Chanel number 3. So again, I feel that they are both series 3 because as you can see, guys, OMG, on camera they both look so beautiful, right guys? So if we are going to put them, oh my god, I think they are of the same size. So the length of the patent flap bag is a little bit bigger, maybe around an inch or so, and then here are the sides. Wow, what do you think, guys? I super love this one. Also guys, what I love about this new Chanel bag of mine is I don't have, to be honest, I am not a fan of light colored bags because, you know, my style normally is I would go for dark colored outfit like all black or all gray, and I'm super scared of you know, color transfers, especially with this kind of bag. And this color, if I'm not mistaken, the color of this one is beige clear, and as we know, beige clear is very popular right now with the newer bags of Chanel. Even, you know, the vintage one, these are the most sought after. So like what I mentioned, so yeah, I like this bag. Like what I would be sharing to you guys in the future, because what I would be doing after this one is I would be having this authenticated via Entropy. I would be contacting where I have Chanel number 1 and 2 authenticated. So I would have this authenticated, and then I would also be sharing more from this bag, like what fits. I mean, the size is big, right? Like for example, it could fit a lot definitely, and OMG, just look at the compartment. And yes, the leather may not be in perfect condition, but as you can see, what I think stands out is even though I'm holding it like this, it stands on its own, because I was imagining, you know, on the photos that because of the creasing over here at this part here and at the part here, that it's super slouchy, that, you know, it doesn't have any body. But I was wrong, because, you know, putting it on the palms of my hand, still it would stand on its own. Yay! So again, yes, I'm not head over moon, like super happy with this one, because as expected, this is around a 6 or 7 over 10 bag, because I would need to give this vintage bag a lot of love so I could revive this to her glorious stage. Once I reach that, guys, I would be definitely sharing updates with you regarding Chanel number 3. But definitely, I feel I still, you know, I was able to purchase this on a good deal. So guys, I would love to hear from each and one of you. What do you think of Chanel number 3? Do you like her or no? Please do comment down below. Alright, so before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day, and I would love to say thank you to Rachel. Rachel, thank you so much for watching our vlogs episode, and thank you for these wonderful comments. Thank you and welcome to the fam. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I can welcome you to the fam. I would highly appreciate it if you could smash that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed our true unboxing episode for today. Super appreciate this one. So I'm going to leave a couple of videos for you here. I will see you soon. Please stay safe. Bye!